finally something from Kickstarter that was delivered in time. Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, and this package has already been half open. I don't like that. I'm back another day with another unboxing, maybe a review, I don't know. This is, I have bought a bunch of things from Kickstarter or via Kickstarter, and I've got screwed on a lot of items. This were something that was delivered in time, and from what I've read, this company, NOMATIC, has done a couple of Kickstarter things before and are very popular and has very good service. They released this a big collection called Navigator. No, let me see now. Navigator series with backpacks and travel bags and etc. etc. And I bought the smallest item actually, and I'm unsure why. It was a while where I bought every sling. There was a while where I bought every sling bag on Kickstarter and every tech bag on Kickstarter. And I got a sling bag. I got a couple of sling bags that I like, and I got a couple to choose from. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. If I remember correctly, there is one sling bag and two tech bags. And I got curious because the company seems so liked. So I'll say, hey, why not back them on Kickstarter? So this is the 1 liter sling bag. They have one that is 6 liter, I think, that is quite large. And this has some cool function. I haven't checked it out yet, but there are small pouches. And if you check my link in the description, you're gonna get to my blog post where I'm gonna post NOMATIC's own videos. But I'm going to show you what I liked about this particular one. So it's quite thick without having any use for it. That's your first initial thought. You have the padding on the back that I don't know if there is any use for that. But the 1 liter sling bag quickly turns into 3 liter. I think it was 3 liter. So it expands, and that's nice to have a sling bag that is not bigger than what you need it to be at the moment. But I'm gonna show you the thing that made me want it. Whenever I go from home, I always have a water bottle with me, and if I have a bigger bag, I put it in my bag. Otherwise, it's quite, I don't know where to put it. I have it in my hand with my keys and phone, etc, etc. But this sling bag has this holder just for your water bottle. So that's the reason why I bought this one. When you do that, you don't get to use that extra. I'm not gonna say too much, but yeah, you don't get to use that extra. As I said, I'm gonna post NOMATIC's own videos in my blog, so check that out. But a sling bag that also holds a water bottle. That's why I bought it. So let's check the next item. Tech organizer. And from time to time, I would like to have a tech bag in my hand instead of having a sling bag over me. And I have looked into everything from the Louis Vuitton toilet bag to have to a bunch of tech bags that are coming that I have ordered, and none of them has this handle. This is all I want. Used a handle that is tight so I can hold it in my hand. That's it. And none of them has that. The NOMATIC Navigator series, I think this is even waterproof. It looks like that on the zipper. The zipper is protected, so this is probably waterproof. They have this design, like shell design, and it is quite protected. So, as I said, NOMATIC is very popular. They have very happy customers. So check them out if you want a bag. Here we have holder for your pen, bunch of pouches, here for your cables. So this one has, I think I'm gonna like this one. It has a bunch of different pockets. So this is going to be really nice. Instead of having everything just open in the sling bag. There is just one problem with NOMATIC, or not with NOMATIC actually, with Europe. There is another company in Europe. The zipper is a bit tough, but that's because of the water protecting thing. There is another company in Europe that are called NOMATIC. So NOMATIC, this company, can't ship to Europe anymore. So I'm lucky even to get these things. But they are going to fix that, probably have another name in Europe or something. So go check their site. This is just the unboxing. If I have a review, I'm probably gonna make another video. So check the link in the description where I'm gonna link NOMATIC's own videos, the whole Kickstarter thing, etc, etc. So this one, just for fun. Some days when I want to carry a water bottle in my sling bag instead of in my hand. But this one I'm going to use, I think. The other tech bag that I have ordered doesn't have this, but it has the option to wear it as a shoulder, over body bag, crossbody bag. It would be nice if this one had that as well. I designed it something like that before, but it didn't end up well. So having this as a combo, that would be great. And the third one is another tech bag from my friend. And he is also going to love it. So I'm going to keep this short. This is this that I bought from NOMATIC. I chose the green one. There were black, gray, whatever. Sling bag 1 liter, tech bag, NOMATIC Navigator series. Check my link. Anti-mold chip to check NOMATIC's own videos and everything. Thanks for watching.